Childrens, let's we learn main course book subject Maths Standard 3rd Chapter 1 Where to Look From. No understanding and the things from the top view, side view and from the front view. हम आज इस चैप्टर में सीखेंगे टॉप व्यू, साइड व्यू एंड फ्रंट व्यू. And the dot grid are by paper folding and paper cutting. Now students, first exercise is practice time. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? इस पिक्चर में जो केट है वो क्लासरूम में झांक रही है. So here are some students sitting. So we find out where the teacher is. यहाँ पे हमको find out करना है कि टीचर कहाँ है. So dear students, where is teacher? Teacher is here. So teacher is standing front side of table. So we write here standing front side of table. Okay students, now B exercise. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look the things to see the things this way. यहाँ पर हमें कुछ पिक्चर दिए गए हैं और हमें उनका साइड बताया. हमें उसमें बताना है कि वो हम उसको कहाँ से देखेंगे तो हमें उसकी कौन सी साइड दिखाई देगी. तो दिस इज स्टेयरकेस. सो विच साइड, हम इसकी कौन सी साइड देख सकते हैं. सो ये साइड हमको साइड व्यू में से दिखाएगी. सो वी राइट हियर साइड व्यू. Now staircase second picture. So which side we see in this picture? In this picture we see front side. हम ऐसे ही सीढ़ियों के सामने खड़े रहेंगे तो हमें ये साइड दिखाई देगी. So we write front side. Front view. Now the table, we see table from front view, front side. So like these types of table, and here are only square. So the tables we see top side. So this side is top view of the table. So we write here top view. Now next chair. We see where we see to look this chair. So we see side view of chair. So we write here side view. हम अगर साइड में से चेयर को देखते हैं तो इस टाइप की चेयर हमें दिखाई देगी. नाउ सेकेंड पिक्चर इज पेंसिल. पेंसिल इज लॉन्ग बट वी कट पेंसिल एंड वी सी टॉप व्यू ऑफ द पेंसिल. सो वी सी लाइक दिस साइड. सो द पेंसिल साइड इज टॉप व्यू. Now this is bus. Which view of the bus? So this is side view. Now next see number question. Draw top views of a few things. यहाँ पर हमको कुछ टॉप व्यूज ड्रॉ करने हैं, कोई भी हम पिक्चर लेकर उसके टॉप व्यू ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट book. Our book's top view is this, our math magic book. Okay, this types of look math magic book. Now second picture, we draw second picture. Here write book. Now so we draw, you see and find out what we draw. The top view of round table. We see table is upside, so we see this types of table. So here write round table. Okay, now we see first maths magic book. We draw books top view. Here round table top view. Now we draw one bed. We see our bed upside, so we see these types of bed. Okay students, this is top view of bed. Now you understanding side view, top view and front view. Now question 1. Use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. Here are some dots. So we draw some design and some shapes. So we draw here any design, any shape. You draw other picture, other design, other shapes at home in your book. Okay. Now we draw some design. Now we draw first this shape. This shape is, you find out this shape, square shape. Now next we draw one rangoli. First we 4 dots join one square, 2 square. Now here we draw other square. Here also we draw one square. Now here we join the other design. Okay, we draw one square in front side. Now 2 square we join this types of, so our design is completed. Now here other one shape we draw. Okay, now here 4 dot we join, here 3, here 3 also and here 3, 4. So this shape is rectangle. Now next on dot, the dot grid given below. यहाँ पे कुछ डॉट ग्रेड दी हुई है. ड्रॉ द फॉलोइंग. नाम दिए हैं काइट, अ लीफ, अ बोट, अ स्टार. इस डॉट ग्रिड में हमें ये पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने हैं. सो हाउ टू ड्रॉ? नाउ वी ड्रॉ सम पिक्चर dot grid. First kite. We draw kite. Okay. Now we draw a kite. Second picture is a leaf. we draw a leaf. Now, second, a boat. We draw boat downside. Now, we draw a boat. Okay, students. Now, in last one, a star. We draw a star. Okay, students, we draw a star. Next question is, draw the other of this picture and find out what these things. यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर दिए हैं, उसका हाफ पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, मीन्स हाफ पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. हमें उसका अदर साइड मीन्स अदर साइड पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है और बताना है विच ऑफ दिस पिक्चर, व्हाट दिस थिंग्स, यह चीज़ कौन सी है. नाउ फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ अदर साइड सेम पिक्चर, कंप्लीट दिस पिक्चर. नाउ आवर पिक्चर इज completed. What is these things? This is lamp. Okay? Now we draw complete this picture. And you find out what is this picture is, what these things. Now you find out these things. This is a butterfly. Now next picture, half side, draw here. We complete this picture and find what these things. One eyes also draw. Now you find out this picture. This is cat face. Now first picture is lamp. Lamp, other is called be diya. And next butterfly, and this is cat face. Now second question, mirror half. Mirror halves. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Means mirror half means अगर हम किसी पिक्चर को हाफ पिक्चर को मिरर के सामने दिखाते हैं तो वो उसका दूसरा साइड कंप्लीट हो जाता है. वैसा ही जो पिक्चर हमने काटा है या हम उसको कट करेंगे, सिमिलर करेंगे, वो टू पार्ट्स में सेम टू सेम डिवाइड हो सकता है तो ही वो मिरर हाफ कहलाता है. हियर आर सम पिक्चर एंड मिरर हाफ. यू फाइंड आउट विच पिक्चर इज मिरर हाफ एंड पिक्चर इनटू टू सिमिलर मिरर हाफ्स. सो फर्स्ट, this picture is mirror half, yes or no? So here one side, two sides are same. this is triangle and two sides are same. This part and this part similar to each other. So this is mirror half. We write here yes. This picture horizontal symmetry. So this is not mirror half. So no. This also no. Now here is letter B and half mirror half is horizontal. So upside and downside are same. So mirror half yes. Now here also similar to each other. We write yes. Here also both sides are similar. We write yes. Here are symmetry, downside horizontally and upside is other, downside is other. So we write here no. Here also we write no. Both sides are different. Here are both sides are different between symmetry. So we write no. So students, you understanding mirror halves. Now using dotted line, can you divide the following picture into similar halves? We draw line of symmetry and we write yes or no. Okay. Now here come, so we draw one standing line. Okay. So this part and this part are same. So we write here yes. Now here we draw symmetry of line. So each part are same. We draw in between side. So this side and this side are same. So we divided into two similar halves. So we write yes. Now here is letter 2. So we divide into two halves. No. We do not divide 2. Now here are umbrella. So we divide no. We are not divided into similar halves. Here are bell. So we draw one vertical symmetry. So this part and this part are same. We divide into two similar parts. So this is, we write yes. Here are one button. So we draw symmetry of line. We draw one symmetry of line and both sides are same. Here the picture is divided into two similar halves. So we write here yes. So dear students, our chapter where to look from is completed. You learn about views of different picture, type view, side view and front view. And we draw dotted grid given below, draw picture following any picture we draw on the grid, dotted grid, and draw the other this picture, half picture, mirror half. So you learn at home and fill your book.